In this video, I will show you how to make an Eastern European version of the Rocky Road. You will need some digestive cookies, butter, cocoa, condensed milk, and crunchy peanut butter. I usually start by getting my pan on the heat and getting my butter to melt. It's better if the butter melts on low heat to avoid it getting too hot. In the meantime, you can break your digestive cookies into smaller pieces. Once your butter has melted, add your condensed milk into the pan and whisk it until your butter and condensed milk are combined. Once combined, add your cocoa and whisk it in. Then add your peanut butter and whisk it in as well. At this point, you want to cook the mixture on medium heat. The main element you're looking for is for the mixture to thicken up. It usually takes anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Once you see that the mixture has thickened, add your broken cookies and take it off the heat. You can use the whisk to crush the cookies into the mixture, just to make sure you end up with smaller pieces of the cookies. Other than that, use the spatula to mix everything together. I will be using springform cake tin because it makes it really easy to take it out. Once you got your Rocky Road into the mold, let it cool down in room temperature. And then put it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours to let it set. After that, get it out of the mold. Cut it into your preferred portion sizes. Serve it and enjoy this simple but delicious dessert. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe.